I bought and tested this Cuisinart 11-piece set. I'm going to tell you everything you need to do about it. We're going to walk through each piece. I'm going to tell you what I like, what I don't like, pretty much anything you could possibly want to know about it. I am going to cover that for you and answer all the questions. Super giftable. It will be in a box, and then this box will be inside. So this makes a great gift as well. This is all we're going to get right over here. We got an 8-inch skillet, a 10-inch skillet, 1.5 on the quart saucepan. I actually love these pans. I'm going to show you why in just a second. 2.5 quart, 3 quart, 8 quart, and then we got a steamer as well. These are all stainless steel. These could go in the dishwasher. We have tried them in the dishwasher one pan. We were a little nervous about it. Came out just fine. We put these lids in the dishwasher. These pans come individually wrapped. They're all in cardboard. Ships really, really nicely. Don't have to worry about them coming scratched or anything like that. Really like that part about these as well. It does come with a steamer. It has the 7-inch insert as well. So that is going to be right over here. So that's what this is. So really nice to just get that in right over here. You can put that in a bigger pot and you'll see kind of goes like that. Or you could do it in these other pots as well. In terms of this is up to 500 degrees oven safe. You could do on a countertop like this. You could do gas. We have electric, so you could do this with electric as well. Everything has a lid here too, which I personally like. You don't have to assemble anything. You literally just take this out of the box. It's ready to go. I've gotten some sets in the past that you actually have to put together, and it's kind of annoying. So everything is ready for you here. Now, one of the coolest parts about these, so this is going to be your frying pan right over here. This is going to be your 10-inch one right over here. These handles do not get that hot. I was super nervous about this. We cook a lot, and I thought it'd get super hot. It doesn't happen. This one right over here is going to be your 8-inch one right over here. So you get an 8 and a 10. This is going to be like kind of like a saucepan right over here. This one is going to be your 3 quart. And then this is kind of more of a traditional saucepan. And this one right over here is going to be your 1.5. This stock pot right over here, really like this a lot. So you'll notice right in here, you can see exactly how much you have in there. So it goes by cups and also liters. So you don't have to worry if you need 4 cups. You can literally roll over to the sink, and as soon as it hits that line right over there, you know you got the right amount of cups. You don't have to worry about that at all. They also have that in this pot right over here. So you can see right over here, you could do up to 8 cups. You'll see it super easy to do. In terms of lids, I do like the fact that these lids are clear. You can see exactly what is going on in there. And you don't have to guess. You don't have to take it off. We've had ones in the past where when you can't see inside, you don't know if it's boiling or what is exactly going on. In terms of storage on these, very easy to store. A lot of this is just kind of like stackable inside and does not take up a ton of space. The frying pan, the saucepan could kind of go like that. This steamer right over here could just pop in like that. And then we kind of have the lids if you wanted to get those situated pretty easily. So it does not take up a lot of space. In terms of kind of cooking with these, we've cooked a bunch of different stuff. Eggs, chopped meat, onions, sauteing vegetables, all that stuff. We just use a little pan. We do not feel that it sticks at all. It works really great with all utensils in the kitchen as well. We have a lot of wooden spoons, spatulas, stuff like that. You don't have to worry about a spatula like sticking to this. Just really, really great set. This is 11 pieces, stainless steel. You got the cool grip handles, which we already talked about. Works on gas, electric, glass, ceramic top. Just super comfortable as well. Like for me, I was kind of concerned sometimes when you get these, you get another pan. So there's usually another one, but this is kind of all we needed. This one right over here is going to be your 10-inch, and this one is going to be 8. Usually there's like a 6, which I always feel is too small. So I'm kind of happy they didn't include that in this one as either, because it's just easier and it doesn't take up storage space either. Can't say enough good things about this. Like I said, if you're looking for a great set for yourself to gift to someone that you could put in the dishwasher, non-stick, Goes really nicely, easy to store. You got that nice stainless steel look. We have hooks over here, or like little things that if you wanted to hang this up, if you had that going on in your kitchen, you could do that. And of course, if you wanted to gift this to someone, comes in a great box. This is great for like if someone just got a house or they need pots and pans. This is the only set you would need. You have everything to do. You want to make pasta, stock, soup, like anything. This whole set could handle that. I hope you found this video review helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I hope you find the right cookware set for you.